Hello everyone and welcome to the VAIR TISS channel. Now in this video I'm going to talk about everything that you need to know in order to pursue the MPH or Masters in Public Health program, Social Epidemiology. So a lot of you might be knowing that there are three programs when it comes to healthcare related programs at the TISS. One of them is MHA, which is Masters in Hospital Administration. Other one is MPH Social Epidemiology and the third one is MPH HPEF. While I talk about other programs in other videos, I'm going to cover everything related to social epidemiology in this video. So don't forget to watch it till the end. Now, what about this program? So, epidemiology is a science that addresses the public health issues, and it is related to understanding of the social determinants of a particular disease and also related to health. So, the exam that you need to give is CUET PG. The paper code is COQP 11. The location is obviously Mumbai for TISS, and it falls under the School of Health System Studies. The current intake for the batch has been 32. Now, what are the kind of roles that you can get into? ठीक है, epidemiology तो मैं कर लूँगी, but मुझे किस तरह के role मिलेंगे? एक बार मैं social epidemiology कर लेता हूँ या कर लेती हूँ. So number one is public health analyst. So that is a very interesting profile where you will get to check the different parameters or diseases or demographics of different regions and then analyze the public health conditions. Obviously, after doing a course in social epidemiology, the profile of an epidemiologist is open for you. Monitoring and evaluation manager, because epidemiology it has so much to do with the supervision and evaluation of various diseases that this is another profile that is open for you. Program manager, research associate. So without research, this kind of a profile is incomplete. So it's important that you invest a lot of time in research, and that is why you get the job of a research associate quite easily. Consultant is when you have the knowledge, the research abilities of getting to know about so much related to this field. People start reaching out to you, or organization starts reaching out to you, or even the government organizations can reach out to you to know or get a consult from you regarding a epidemic or or any disease that is uncontrollable, or they want to eradicate or control the spread of the same. And then obviously environmental impact assessment, what kind of impact does environmental damage have, what kind of impact is it having on the health, and what are the different health hazards that are related to the same. So these are a few profiles or roles that you can look out for if you are trying for MPH SE, and these are the kind of jobs that you're going to get. Now, what does the curriculum include? So the curriculum has an introduction to epidemiology and biostatistics, the social determinants of health, research methods, public health policy and ethics. Then there are electives like environmental health, global health, health economics, advanced statistical methods. Then there's obviously field work. So there's extensive field work opportunities in diverse settings. Sometimes it's in organizations, sometimes it's in government bodies. That's pretty varied. And then practical experience in public health research and interventions is also something that the TISS helps you with, and it provides with respect to this program. Now the top recruiters and packages, so the top recruiters have been PwC, Cities Pharma, Indigene, Optum Health, HCL. So these are few of the top recruiters for this program. And the package range, average package range is somewhere between 7 to 8 lakh per annum, and the highest is approximately 12 lakhs per annum. Well, these figures have not been officially declared, but this is collated as per data from our previous year students who have been placed in this program. Now, what is the process? Now, I'm really interested in this course. I find it just right for me, especially if you're coming from a background of biostatistician or a B.Pharm, or you're a doctor, or you have studied alternative medicine, or you're a nurse. So this is a great opportunity for you. So you have to first apply for the CUET PG and appear for CUET PG 2025. It is hosted and conducted by the NTA, but the paper code that you need to appear for is COQP 11 in order to apply for this particular course. Then you need to submit, once you clear the cutoff, you need to submit your DAF or the detailed application form, which is released by the TISS. Once you do that, then you are qualified for the extempore and the personal interview round. So if you want to join the TISS One Attempt Challenge and get access to our live classes, mock strategies, free resources, which will help you bridge the gap between you and your dream business school, then don't forget to comment TISS and we will send you a link. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All the best.